Hi, I'm Kana, and tomorrow I start Code Platoon's full stack software engineering bootcamp. I'm really excited to get started because I'm hoping that this is going to be just the beginning of my journey to becoming a software developer. But I'm also really nervous because this is a very intense course and I'm hoping I can keep up. So for Code Platoon, it is a 14-week full-time, so 40 hours a week boot camp, and we are supposed to learn front-end and back-end programming. There will be an individual project and a final group project that we will accomplish. I'm also excited to take you along on this journey with me. I was looking online on YouTube for people's experiences in boot camps, and most of the time what I could find was what they thought about the boot camp after they were finished. I want to do a weekly recap where I talk about what I learned and how I'm feeling. That way you can follow along and either figure out whether a boot camp is right for you, or if you want to learn on your own, maybe you can follow the curriculum and learn the things I'm learning as I'm learning them. And some of the questions that we have as beginners, hopefully I can answer those. So I look forward to taking you on this journey with me.